Hey everyone, it's Brian and we are here in the town of Kandy. Now I'm just finishing up my time here, but I had a great experience. A lot of people overlook Kandy. They kind of consider it a transitional town on your way down to Esala. But there's actually a lot here. In fact, there's some ancient relics that are highly revered in the Buddhist religion. I know you've probably seen a lot of temples already, but there's that, there's hiking, there's just a lot of stuff. There's botanical gardens. Now, I didn't do everything here just because it mostly rained like most of the time I was here, but got to see some things. But yeah, this video here is just gonna show you some of the things you can do, but if you wanna see it all, you gotta come back for yourself. Behind me is the entrance to the Temple of the Tooth. It's a large complex devoted mostly to Buddhist relics, the most famous of which, of course, is the tooth. Now, where does this tooth come from? The tooth comes from Buddha. When he was cremated, they found the tooth at the funeral pyre. So it was actually, it was revered, and this tooth made its rounds all around Sri Lanka, including many places that I've already been to. But in addition to the tooth, which is of course the highlight, there is the tusker, which was a Sri Lankan elephant that served faithfully for over 50 years. And when it died, they turned the body into essentially a stuffing. So they brought it to a taxidermist, and it's inside today where the locals have actually designated it as a national treasure. So there's a lot to see in there, and you can spend a couple hours. Well, this wraps up our time here in Kandy, and believe it or not, I didn't see a single candy shop. Yep, yeah, you figure I was gonna do some puns on candy, but of course, I'll take you to the candy shop. I'll let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot.